In this video, I will show you how to set up Face ID on Citibank app. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. If your phone supports Face ID and you are running the latest version of the Citibank mobile app, you will be able to enable Face ID inside of it. Before you start, make sure that your software is up to date and running the latest version available. Once updated, sign in using your account. Tap on Profile at the bottom right corner of your screen, then select the Profile and Settings icon. In there, choose Citi Trusted Identity. You will see options such as Touch ID, 6-digit PINs, and facial recognition. Choose any of these options that you wish to enable. Regardless of what you select, you will be redirected to another page where you can enable them. For Face ID, the app will show you if your phone supports it, and at the bottom, you'll see the toggle to turn it on or off. Simply enable Face ID or whichever method of verification you prefer, and it will be activated right away. I hope this helped you learn how to enable Face ID on the Citibank app.